XOX. Today I just done one video, but it was a cool video. Yeah, but I didn't have nothing really to come up with, so yeah. So it's kind of bored, but some people came to us. So yeah. So I'm gonna just do a little rap. There was nothing to say, but I sure don't know. But if I see your face, it's every day when I see your face. And if I'm so sad, I can't even tell you what I'm gonna do. So if people see me now, I tell you. And then you tell me first, I tell you. And if you don't just care about a thing, I will tell you first ways. And then you don't have to say nothing. Hey. So, thanks. Thanks, guys. This is going to be a really fast video. So, bye.